In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the icon of a folder in Windows 11. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is find the folder you would like to change the icon of. I have a new folder over here. You want to click on it, right click, and then do Properties. And then in here, you want to go under Customize, and this is where you can change the icon. So you want to click Change Icon. And the first thing that's going to happen, it's going to give you a bunch of different options from where you can basically select whichever icon you would like to have. So there's a bunch of different default Windows icons. And if you find something you like, you can just click on it like this, click on OK, and then click on Apply, and it's going to change your folder's icon. However, if you don't like that, you could do Change Icon and actually create a custom one as well. So to do this, click on the Browse button here, and in case you have any .ico or .ico files on your computer, you'll be able to use those. For example, I have this one over here. I can click on it and click on Open, and then click on OK, and it's going to basically set this icon as my folder icon when I click on Apply and OK as well. Or, of course, if you have anything else that isn't an ICO, so for example, if you have a separate image, which is like a JPEG, PNG, or whatever format, you could find a converter online which converts your format into ICO, or you could go to an app like Photopea, for example, which, if you don't know, Photopea is like an image editor, like something like Photoshop, but it's just online and you can use it over here. So there we go, that's what it looks like. And then you could go ahead and, of course, just find a random icon somewhere on Google, or of course whatever you want to use. And if it's not a let's say if it's not like a .ico, but it's like a PNG, what you can do is actually just drag and drop it in here, and you can also change how it looks like and its format in here. So let me show you an example. For example, let's say I have this what I've showed you earlier. So let's say this is not an ICO, but it's a PNG. I can go to File, top left, and I can just export it as more over here, and then ICO, and then I can change its width and height, and I can export it, and it's an ICO, and I can then use that to actually change basically the appearance of my folder inside the folder properties. So that's pretty much how you achieve this, and then you can play around with it, and you can go ahead and, of course, set whatever icon you want for your folder. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.